What is up, guys? It's your boy Skittles in the building, and do you guys notice something? Take a guess. I got a haircut. Do you guys like it? I bet you do. And guess what? In this video, it's gonna be real amazing. And this taste test is one of the best energy drinks on the planet. Today we're gonna be trying Spyro Dragonfruit G Fuel. Another G Fuel taste test. I'm pretty sure I've played Spyro at my auntie's old house, and I'm pretty sure my cousin Rylan had a PS4. I don't know if she still has it, but it had the Spyro game on it, and I played it before. I'm excited to try this, so let's open this baby up. That sounded pretty good. Let's give it a sniff. It smells familiar. It smells familiar to a drink I'm pretty sure I've had before, but I don't know how to describe it. Now let's give it a taste. This tastes really amazing. I have never tried anything like this. Alright? That is all for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace!